My name is Gilmore Estrella, 23 years old, from Orani, Bataan, Philippines. I recently graduated from Asia Pacific College of Advanced Studies with a bachelor's degree in Hotel and Restaurant Management. I also acquired 3 national certificates from Technical Education and Skills Development Authority, namely Food and Beverage Services NC2, Bartending NC2, Housekeeping NC2. I have already completed courses in Front Office Procedures, Housekeeping Procedures, Rooms Division Management, Western and Asian Cuisine, Culinary Arts, F&B Control System, Tourism Planning and Development, Entrepreneurship with Business Planning, Total Quality Management, and Events Management. For the past 2 summers, I applied my skills and learnings through on-job trainings. I worked as a food attendant in Mang Inasal, a fast food chain restaurant, and I gained a 240-hour training. I also worked as a food attendant and an assistant bartender in Seafood by the Bay for a 360-hour training. Through all my works and training experiences, I was exposed to real-life scenarios, and it molded my customer relation skills, such as providing quality service to customers, handling customers' complaints, and being approachable. Moreover, the training taught me to become a quick solver in times of pressure. Furthermore, I also participated in joining dance competitions and dance concerts that boosted my self-confidence when dealing with many people. Along with my education and experiences, I think you should hire me because I can be a good asset to your company. I am willing to do my best, learn new things, and enhance my skills so I can be globally competitive. Thank you for the time and consideration watching my video resume, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Once again, I am Gilmore Estrella. Thank you.